What happens when Mansory gets its hands on a Ford GT and then teams up with Stephen Curry in Under Armour? Well, you get this, the Mansory, a one-off supercar inspired by Curry's brand new signature sneaker. It's wild, it's loud, and it's absolutely unmistakable. Let's break down this insane creation. This isn't Mansory's first time going over the top. In fact, back in 2020, they shocked the car world with a radical body kit for the Ford GT, transforming Ford's futuristic supercar into something that looked like it crawled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now, in 2025, Mansory has brought that creation stateside, but with a twist. This one wears a bold yellow and black livery, directly inspired by Stephen Curry's new Under Armour Echo sneaker. It made its grand debut at the NBA All-Star Game, and it's part of a larger tour across the country. So if you're lucky, you might see this beast up close at an event near you. Let's talk design. And buckle up, because Mansory didn't hold back. Every single body panel has been reimagined up front. You'll find a brand new hood, custom headlights, and horizontal DRLs, all finished in carbon fiber with a striking checkered pattern move along the side. And it gets even crazier with custom carbon fiber skirts, rocker panels, new side mirror caps, and even dual roof scoops. Are they functional? Who knows, but they definitely make a statement. The rear is pure Mansory madness, featuring a wild new diffuser, 3 central exhaust tips, and a massive rear wing that could double as a surfboard. And let's not forget those signature flying buttresses. Now reimagined in exposed carbon fiber, Mansory didn't stop at the looks. They gave the GT's 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 some extra muscle, boosting it to a hefty 700 horsepower and 619 pounds-ft of torque. That's a solid bump over stock, making this sneaker-inspired supercar even faster. Inside the cabin, it's a full-blown tribute to Curry's kicks. Black and yellow Alcantara and leather cover every surface from the seats to the dash, with Mansory and Under Armour logos proudly on display. Even the engine cover got the yellow treatment, tying the whole look together. Only 3 Mansory Ford GTS exist, and this is the final one, which, honestly, might be for the best. It's over the top, unapologetic, and just the kind of thing you either love or hate. But one thing's for sure, whether you're a sneakerhead, a Curry fan, or a supercar junkie, you can't ignore it. What do you think? Is this sneaker onwards a slam dunk, or did Mansory foul out? Let us know in the comments. And if you love wild builds like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more insane automotive content.